Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have an Ikea washing machine and you're getting an E40 error on your washing machine. We're going to look at what it is and how to get rid of it. This is a pretty simple error most of the time. So the E40 error is it was when you're trying to run it or something like that, or it's already running and it's sensing that the door is not closed properly. So it's an error with the door being closed properly. So what you want to do is just make sure the door, first thing to do is just make sure the door is closed properly. Sometimes we close it and we feel like it's closed, but we didn't really get it. So just make sure we get it a nice firm close. You don't want to slam it, but you want to make sure that it has a nice firm close. Another thing that can happen is, you open it, you load it up with clothes, you close it, and then you turn it on. And actually what happened was like a piece of clothing kind of flopped out when you were closing it. So you just need to make sure that there's no clothes. You might even be able to see it. Make sure there's no clothes. Make sure there's no buildup of gunk or lint or anything like that around where the door closes properly. And then also check in the latch area, in the latch hole. Is there anything that would be preventing the latch from functioning properly? And if you do all those things, you should be able to get rid of your E40 error on your IKEA washing machine and get everything working right. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.